Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off NFC on your POCO X6 Pro. And there's also not only one way how you can do it, but two ways. So let's start. We're gonna open the settings, the gear icon, and there we're gonna look for more connectivity options. It's just right here in the bottom of the screen. And there we're gonna press on NFC. And by the way, what is NFC? It means that you can wirelessly pay with your phone without taking your credit card from your bag. Amazing, right? So when the toggle is blue, it means that NFC is on, and to turn it off, you just need to press on this toggle. And here is notification about that you are aware that NFC will be no longer available, like this. And also, when your NFC is enabled, you can set the payment default method between Google Pay and wallet of your choice right here. And as I told you before, there is a second option how you can do it. What you're gonna need to do is to open the notification panel by swiping down in the right corner of your screen like this. And here you have an icons. And if you don't have the NFC widget icon right here, don't worry. What you need to do is to press on edit in the bottom, and just to find the NFC, I will show you. I will just delete it. And so here in the system toggles, we're pressing on NFC, and to confirm it, we need to press on tick, and it's done. So when the toggle is blue, it means that NFC is on, and when it's gray, it means that it's off. So just by pressing on this icon, you can turn it on and off. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.